Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 31st, 2020. So this is the last day of the month. The market have a good bull run on the August. As you can see here, they continue to go high, low and continue to push to the top. So the market right now is still bullish, but in the short term, I think that we are a little bit overbought. So technically, the market will try to find a way, probably try to push it back down a little bit so that they can get some more momentum before they can find a way to get higher. So right now, in the last few minutes, you can see the market, they are slamming down with a high volume. So let's see how the market open tomorrow, and then we can find out from there. So if you look at the overall market at the last minute, you can see that the market is all-time high. They put back down, and in the morning they try to put it back up, but they ran out of gas. And the last minute, the people try to slam it down. So if you are a day trader, you can see that the overnight the market they put it all-time high here, and then they're coming down, and then they try to push it back up, but they couldn't go higher, so they slam it down. So in our live trading room, we already define where it's a buy zone, so the people know so that they can short the market in the downside. So when the market find the support area and then they try to buy back up, but the last minute they couldn't go higher, so they slam it down. So in our live trading room, we're able to guide our member that the trend is still down. So when they get out of live trading room, the market try to push it back up. They make it a bearish flag after the breakout here. Take a quick short to make some quick daily income for $1,312 for the day, and turn around and do swing trade. So if you have been following me on a lot of charts, so today is the Apple and Tesla. They are now Apple at 4-to-1 split, and Tesla at the 5-to-1 split. So the market is still push it back up. They try to wrap the FOMO so they can run in and buy every bit of share. But Tesla you put it up to make it a new high again. So, but a little bit too fast. So a lot of FOMO they try to get in right now. Probably try to wrap a bit of it before. Let's see how the market is going. Okay, but right now it's very bullish and too fast here. So it's hard to chase when it's in the upside like that. And a lot of talk that we talking about the weekend, so you have to be careful. On a lot of talk, the institution look like they start taking profit. Visa, MasterCard, so they look like they want to take a profit at the critical resistance level here. PAYX. Okay, some of them still have room to put it back up because they are fall behind, but some of them like even transportation, okay, it's still bullet, but people to taking profit, and the Fed is going to have a earning on the September 15, so we have to be watch out on that one also. But UPS is pretty strong also. They try to break and make a new all-time high, and VNC, that's another bio stock. They try to find a way to put it up higher, but the bank it still have some issue here. They couldn't break out the downtrend line. They tried here and then they put it back again. So let's see if they're able to break out and then find a way to go higher. As well as Bank of America also, they have a trouble to put it up high. So they still go sideways right now. And that's what we have to watch out. So the overall, the market is still bullish, but in the short term, we're probably looking for something to pull back, okay, so that they can get out of the overbought area, and then hopefully they can find some momentum and push it back up again. All right, so that's all I have for you today. And if you are not our member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we can alert you so that you know where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand the financial market, how to make some extra daily income, as well as build your own long-term portfolio, so that you can make a bigger profit potential in the long run, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.